Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making safety the rule. Park legally and set the parking brake. Once parked, connect your phone to Android Auto via USB or wireless and open the Android Auto app. Make sure YouTube or YouTube Music is installed and has audio and location permissions. You do this now because Android Auto blocks video while driving. The system permits media only when it detects park. Once done, confirm the head unit shows media apps and that phone screen is unlocked, so playback controls will appear. Next, select an approved playback path. Android Auto supports audio apps like YouTube Music for seamless, legal in-car listening. If you truly need a video, keep the car parked and use your phone screen in a secure mount rather than trying to defeat safety locks. Use voice commands to play, pause, skip, and search so you don't touch controls. This ensures you comply with the platform's intent while still accessing content. Audio through Android Auto or video only when stationary and safe. Finally, start playback. Tap play in YouTube Music or on your phone while parked and confirm sound routes to the car speakers. If video playback is blocked, make sure the car reports park status and that Android Auto has the required permissions. Many blocks are safety-driven, not bugs. If problems persist, restart the Android Auto app or your phone, replug the USB cable, or reconnect wireless and test again. Troubleshooting this way keeps you safe and compliant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.